Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got a little prepper haul here for the first week of December. Went to Walmart, Costco, Sam's Club, and I think that's it. Oh, Winco. Yeah. So let's start on the left here. So I got some Winco brand English muffins. The grandkids really like this particular brand over the other ones. 3 loaves of bread, 3 quarts of beef broth which was on sale for $1.48. 3 chicken, which was on sale for $1.28, as opposed to the Swanson's for one on sale for $1.88. So, and I got 4 of the Hot Pockets. The Hot Pockets at Sam's Club and Costco are $15.99. These at Winco are $10.99. Got 6 4-packs or 24 pounds of butter at Sam's Club. Got some toilet bowl cleaner for the toilets. Just put a tablet in the back and it keeps it nice and clean. Got the Welch's Natural No High Fructose Corn Poison and strawberry and the grape. I got one more strawberry than grape because Eli eats more peanut butter and jam sandwiches and he eats only strawberry jam. Got some more mashed potatoes, ran out. Got some snacks for the grandkids. Got 2 boxes of cheese pizzas from Costco. There's 4 in each one. The grandkids really love it. Got 3 boxes of saltines. And I got the Winco brand because the name brand has that crap in it. Begins with a D. It's bad stuff. I've done several videos on it before. All right, I got 2 packages of the Costco beef hot dogs. They're 3-pack per package. So got 2 5-pound bricks of Tillamook cheese. In my opinion, the best cheese around for a medium cheese. And I got a package of the spinach and mozzarella raviolis, triangles for the grandkids. And then I got 6 of the Swiss Miss hot chocolate mix. It really ticks me off that Sam's Club will not carry this except in the wintertime only. Yet around here in Idaho, people drink hot chocolate year round, just like some people drink coffee year round. And so they got to go get the expensive quote gourmet crap, which really doesn't taste as good as this, elsewhere during the summertime. All right, what's not shown here is 2 50-pound bags of ice melt, which I got for my daughter across the street, and 2 44 pounds of water softener salt I got to go in the water softener. All right, so this here's my haul. Next haul should be in about 3 weeks. All right, take care.